Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
A pop can? Are we going to...
Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot to get Mona.
I wonder what we're going to do with this can. Maybe we're going to smash it. Ugh.
Okay, where's the pop can?
What pop can?
The pop can I just showed you right before I went and got Mona here.
Oh! You mean this pop can?
What in the world?
Sorry, Dad. You always said your favorite pop was Orange Crush. At least I got the crush part right.
Ow, brother. Hey friends, Pastor Robbie here, along with my lovely assistant and wonderful daughter, Sadie.
Hello.
And our new special helper, Mona. And today, we're going to have some fun learning about love.
Love? I thought we were in the middle of our Dog Days of Summer series.
Oh, you mean our 10-week series where we showcase Christ-like characteristics of dogs while also encouraging our fans to send us a picture of their dog so we can post them on our Facebook page and even feature one on an episode.
Yeah, that's it.
Never heard of it.
Oh, brother. So, who's our special dog for this week?
Our favorite this week,
Besides Mona.
of course, besides Mona, is Riley, the Jack Russell mix from west of Ireland.
Yeah, that is a beautiful dog.
Well, they're all beautiful. If you haven't sent us a picture of your dog yet, you can still email it to us at contact@familymomentsfun.com. And then stay tuned, as it may end up on an episode just like Riley did. Now, let's get back to our lesson on love.
So, what's love got to do with it?
Love is one of the most amazing characteristics of a dog.
Oh, you must be talking about puppy love.
Puppy love?
Yeah, I love our puppy.
Well, so do I. But that's not really what puppy love is all about.
It's not?
Well, no. Puppy love is a phrase used to describe your attraction to someone, usually because you like the way they look.
Oh, like having a crush on someone.
Well, yeah, kind of. It's an infatuation with someone, and it's called puppy love because it resembles how a puppy looks when it becomes attached to you.
So, is puppy love a good thing?
Well, it's usually a temporary thing that young people experience. It's not the same kind of love we're going to talk about today, though.
What kind of love is that?
Well, it's the kind of love found in Colossians 3:12 through 14, where it says, "Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. And for all these virtues put on love, which bind them all together in perfect unity."
What's that got to do with dogs?
Well, even though we've only had Mona for a month, how would you describe her personality?
She's kind and loving and gentle, and she's extremely patient.
No, I meant the dog, not me.
And quick to forgive me, even if I get mad at her and yell at her. In fact, she never seems to hold a grudge, as she's always excited to see me. It's crazy.
Sounds a lot like our verse. As Christians, we are God's chosen people, and so we should clothe ourselves with some of those same virtues that most dogs display.
Oh, you mean being kind, gentle, forgiving, and loving?
Exactly.
That seems a lot easier for dogs than humans. I think I'd rather just do the puppy love crush thing.
Well, if we truly want to follow Jesus, we have to love others well, and that goes way beyond puppy love. Let me demonstrate this for you with a little object lesson I like to call Crush Hour. And all we're gonna need is a couple pop cans, a little hot water, a bowl of ice cold water, some tongs, and some gloves. Let's pretend that this can of flavored water is you. You're filled with all the good things we mentioned from our verse, like kindness, gentleness, patience.
Plus, I'm probably pretty sweet.
Right. And so when you go into the world with those kind of love traits, we'll pretend that this container of ice water is the world, you are blessed even more, as you are now an ice cold drink, and you hold up really well.
Oh, I like that. Who doesn't enjoy seeing a bunch of cool drinks mingling together in a cooler filled with ice?
That's the kind of love you want. But let's take this other can and empty all the pop out. And instead of being filled with kindness, gentleness, and patience, we're going to fill it with a little boiling hot water.
Oh no, it sounds like I'm heading for hot water.
Well, you're definitely not filled up with the right kind of love. Puppy love is an example of thinking about yourself first, and it's all about what you want. But the kind of love Jesus wants us to have is the kind of love that puts others first.
That kind of love sounds a lot different than a crush.
It is. Now watch what happens when you go into the world of ice water thinking only about yourself.
Oh man, when you lead with a crush, you get crushed.
Exactly. Part of growing up means learning how to love others well.
You mean like by being patient with others and being kind to everyone?
Right.
Wow, that may take some time.
I'm confident that you'll get there.
Sounds like I need to be more like Mona.
Exactly. Learning to love others well is a beautiful thing. So, Sadie, what did you learn today?
I learned that puppy love is something that young people usually experience when they have a crush on someone, usually because of the way they look, and it's more about putting yourself first.
Exactly.
But the kind of love Jesus wants us to develop would be the kind we see in most dogs, forgiving, gentle, and kind. It may take some work, but with God's help, we can also learn to love others well.
Very good.
Now, to demonstrate my Christ-like love for you, I thought it'd be nice to celebrate our father-daughter love by wrapping things up with a little pop for my pop.
Well, that was awfully nice of you. Thanks, Sadie.
And me too.
Oh, don't mind if I do. What in the world?
That must have been the one I dropped.
Yeah. We'll see you around. Today's episode is sponsored by our good friends Randy and Nicole at Oodles of Blessings.
Oodles of Blessings? Hey, that's where we got Mona.
That's right. This Christian-based business breeds beautiful English cream golden retrievers and doodle puppies.
Like Bernedoodles, Sheepadoodles, Labradoodles, and Golden Doodles?
Exactly. Their puppies come from healthy lines of parents with great temperaments. They are the perfect fit for families looking for a healthy, happy, adorable addition to their family.
No wonder they're called Oodles of Blessings.
You can find out more by checking out their website, oodlesofblessings.com, or by calling 260-466-8735, and they'll transport their puppies anywhere in the continental United States.
I love it.
And if you'd like to possibly sponsor an episode or a series of Family Moment episodes, just drop us an email at contact@familymomentsfun.com. We'd love to talk to you about the possibility of partnering with us as we teach the truth about what matters most.